Hi, I'm Yvonne Halling at bedandbreakfastcoach.com, and this video is part 3 in my series on how to use the internet to bring you more guests, more fun and more money. So if you've been frustrated and overwhelmed by so much conflicting advice out there on how to really use the internet for your benefit, then this series of 4 videos will help you. Just to recap, there are 4 basic principles of using the internet to bring you more guests. And they are: number 1, build a list. Number 2, nurture and care for that list. Number 3, provide regular contact for that list. And number 4, make offers to that list. In part 1 of this series, we talked about why you need to build a list. And I took you through the steps of how to build a list by identifying the guests you'd most love to welcome and where to find them on Facebook, and then creating what's known as a lead magnet for them to download. In part 2, I showed you why you need to nurture and care for your list by providing a series of emails that go out automatically once someone has opted in, so you build the know, like and trust factor. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to provide regular content for your list so that you earn the right to stay in touch. Many people go out on social media with just their offers of buy now, book a room, and that can often be annoying, especially if they see you doing that and they don't know you. You need to build your network first, be someone people can relate to and trust, and then ask for the sale, which we'll cover in part 4. But today, let's talk about how and where to find regular content for your growing list. The very best way is to create stories about your life, your B&B, and what's going on in your area. If someone has just joined your list, they're looking to you to lead them towards the booking. It's like, okay then, show me what you've got. So let's not disappoint them. Let's show them. So step 1, you can repurpose the email content that you created for your new subscribers into more blog posts and send your people there. Step 2, you can go out with your iPhone and take videos of things going on in your area and post them on Facebook and all around the internet, including YouTube, and then send your people there. Step 3, you can take one topic that gets the most interaction in one of your new groups and make a blog post about that, or even a video, and share that with your growing list. And step 4, you can ask other people to share your content, always leading back to your opt-in form so that you're constantly growing your list. This is so much fun to do when you can get over yourself and your own fears, because in the next video, I'm going to show you how to make offers to your list. But if you try to skip the list building, care and nurturing, providing interesting content first, you will have little to no chance of making any sales, and you might as well list with the online travel agents. So stay tuned for part 4, the final part in this series, and if you've liked this video, then hit the subscribe button to be the first to know when I post the next one. And if you're curious to know how other B&Bs, guest houses and inns have put these basic internet marketing principles in place to add at least 25% to their income in one season, then click on the link below to register for my next masterclass. Click on the link and I'll see you there.